Assalamu alaikum, I'm Salman Khan from Worldofitech HTML editors. In this tutorial, you will learn about HTML editors. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML, you can use a simple text editor like Notepad PC or TextEdit Mac or Visual Studio Code, etc. Currently, we are using Visual Studio Code. If you don't know any information about the Visual Studio Code, then you can watch our videos about that. Procedure link in the description below, or go to our channel and click on the Visual Studio Code playlist and watch our videos about that. Follow these steps to create your first web page with Notepad or TextEdit or Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Open Notepad PC, Windows 8 or later. Open the start screen, the window symbol at the bottom left on your screen, and type Notepad or Windows key plus R, open run and type Notepad and then press enter. Windows 7 or earlier, open Start, Programs, Accessories, Notepad. Next procedure for TextEdit Mac. Step 1. Open TextEdit Mac. Open Finder, Applications, TextEdit. Also change some preferences to get the application to save files correctly. And preferences format, choose plain text. Then under Open and Save, check the box that says Display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. Then open a new document to place the code. Step 2. Write some HTML. For example, doc.type HTML, head, body, heading 1, paragraph. Step 3. Save the HTML page. Save the file on your computer. Select File, Save As in the Notepad menu. Name the file index.htm or HTML and set the encoding UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. You can use either HTML or HTML as file extension. There is no difference. It is up to you. Then click on Save. Step 4. View the HTML page in your browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser. Double click on the file or right click and choose Open with. For example, Google Chrome. My first heading, my first paragraph. Next. And this is Visual Studio Code. Right click and click on Open in other browsers. Click on Google Chrome. You can see my first heading, my first paragraph. This is Visual Studio Code. We are using Visual Studio Code. If you want to download and install Visual Studio Code and how to write code in Visual Studio Code, etc., then you can watch our videos about that. Link in the description below, or go to our channel and watch our videos about that. This is about the HTML editors, and I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down, and also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more tutorials like this. And if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. And feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.